The city never sleeps, and neither does the current of change. It's a river that runs through these concrete canyons, and it'll carry you with it, whether you fight the tide or not. Life will change you, and that's not something to fear, it's something to welcome. Most folks cling to the familiar, to the devil they know. They build their lives like a fortress, brick by brick, only to find they've built themselves a prison. They're afraid of the unknown, terrified of what's waiting out there in the fog. But fear is just a shadow, and shadows can't hurt you. The real discomfort comes from within. Change feels uncomfortable because the old version of you is dissolving. It's a ghost fading in the morning light, a photograph burning at the edges. You look in the mirror and see a stranger staring back, wearing your face but with different eyes. That's the moment of truth. The moment you realize the person you were is just a story you used to tell yourself, and the person you're becoming needs space to breathe. You can't build a skyscraper on the foundations of a shack. You have to clear the lot. This means a new mindset. It's about tearing down the old beliefs that kept you small, the ones that whispered you weren't good enough. It's about seeing the world not as a threat, but as a puzzle waiting to be solved. It demands new habits, the small rituals, the daily choices, trading late nights for early mornings, trading noise for silence. It's the discipline to walk a different path, even when the old one feels like home. And the toughest part? It requires new people. Some connections are anchors, holding you in a harbor you've outgrown. You have to have the courage to cut the rope and sail into open water, even if it means sailing alone for a while. This isn't a betrayal. You aren't losing yourself. You're finally meeting yourself at a higher level. You're shedding a skin that became too tight. Transformation is uncomfortable because you're growing beyond your past limits, breaking the chains you didn't even know were there. Every ache is a sign of strength returning. Every moment of doubt is a test of your resolve. So let the past go. Say goodbye to who you were. Thank that person for getting you this far. But their journey ends here. Your story is just beginning. Don't look back. The future is an unwritten page, a dark street full of possibility. Walk it. You are rising into someone wiser, calmer, stronger. Someone who isn't afraid of the rain, because they know it's what makes everything new again.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.